Okay, in this video segment, we're looking at rotations. First, 180-degree rotations, then 90-degree rotations. So in here we have, again, quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And as you should know from another video, each quadrant has its own sign. So everything over here is positive, positive. Everything over here is negative, positive. Everything down here is negative, negative. Everything over here is positive, negative. Now this really helps you out with rotations. Let me move this down a little bit so you can see it. This really helps you out with rotations. So the idea is it's like a clock. So you can imagine something like this and the hands move this way. So clockwise is to move like this. Counterclockwise is to move like that. Now, a 180-degree rotation, as it says on the sheet, now I know you can't see it, it's up here, but again, you can print that sheet out and look at it. It says change the signs completely, both sets of signs. So if you look at this, a 180-degree rotation, no matter which way you went, you would end up here. So you had positive, positive. It changes the signs of your numbers to negative, negative. If you were here, you'd go there. Here, positive, negative, it switches to negative, positive. Okay, so that's really easy. The numbers don't change at all. It's simply just the signs. Now, 90-degree rotations are completely different. So now, if you look here, we have A and 2, negative 3. Okay, so that's going to be somewhere, 2, negative 3 is going to be somewhere down here. So now, the first thing you do with this, well, first of all, to look, if you're going counterclockwise, you're going to go, you always go one quadrant with 90 degrees. So you're going to go here if it's counterclockwise, you would go here if it's clockwise. So it depends. You have to read the question, see which way they want you to go. Now, the first thing you do, however, is you ignore the signs. So we had 2, negative 3. You ignore the signs and you switch the numbers. And again, this is only with 90-degree rotations, nothing else. No other kind of transformation do you flip the numbers, only 90-degree rotation. Okay, so the first thing you do is you flip the numbers, then you decide what quadrant it's going to. So you make a clock hand like this, and then you ask yourself, well, if it's going clockwise and it moves one quadrant, where would it go? Well, it moves to here. What's the sign of everything here? Negative, negative. So if it said clockwise, you would change this to negative 3, negative 2. So that's one possible 90-degree rotation. The other 90-degree rotation is to go this way, up to positive, positive. And in that case, you would keep it 3, 2. So it would only go one quadrant in either way. So if it was here, it could go there or there. If it was here, it could go there or there. That should be enough to get you going. That one is a little bit complicated, but I have also explained it in class, so hopefully between the two, we can get this one together.